To achieve rapid triceps hypertrophy, you must strategically overload all three heads of the triceps brachii. This requires utilizing overhead extensions to isolate the long head for back arm thickness, heavy presses for the lateral head flare, and strict lockouts to dense up the medial head. Implement these 9 high-efficiency exercises to maximize total arm mass today. Exercise 1. Seated dumbbell triceps extension, front of head. Sit tall and lower the weights controlled in front of your face, keeping your elbows high. Explode vertically to full lockout along a strict sagittal path. This frontal mechanical tracking alignment shifts intense progressive loading away from the joints, forcing the lateral and medial triceps heads to conquer raw gravity resistance directly. Extension drive. Exercise 2. Pike to cobra push-up. Hinge your hips high into a pike, then fluidly dive low, scooping up into a cobra stretch. Push backward forcefully, using your arms to return. This dynamic bodyweight pathway creates a punishing kinetic chain shift, subjecting the entire triceps network to extreme, continuous mechanical friction, safely without weights. Bodyweight overload. Exercise 3. Dumbbell Tate press. Lie flat on your back and flare your elbows wide, pointing the dumbbell heads inward over your chest. Press the weights upward and outward smoothly to full lockout. This unique horizontal elbow flexion alignment eliminates shoulder assistance, channeling intense, isolated mechanical tension straight into the outer triceps complex. Lateral blast. Exercise 4. Triceps press, head below plate weighted. Hold a strict plank posture, gripping a vertical round plate on the floor with both hands tightly. Lower your body controlled by flexing your elbows, maintaining intense balance. This unstable body weight deficit alignment forces the lateral and medial heads to fire violently, subjecting the entire upper arm to agonizing continuous mechanical friction. Deficit squeeze. Exercise 5. Easy barbell incline triceps extension. Lie back on an incline bench and lower the easy bar behind your head along a strict angled path. Drive the weight upward dynamically, keeping your elbows perfectly pinned. This angled setup maximizes the eccentric stretch on the long head, subjecting the upper arm structure to immense, absolute progressive mass-building tension. Angled stretch. Exercise 6. Seated single dumbbell reverse grip tricep extension. Sit tall. Secure a strict underhand reverse grip on a single weight and extend it overhead. Lower the dumbbell behind your neck smoothly. This specialized pronated pathway completely alters the line of pull, forcing agonizing continuous mechanical friction straight across the deep medial triceps muscle wall. Reverse friction. Exercise 7. Dumbbell standing kickback. Hinge deeply at your hips, lock your upper arms to your ribs, and let your forearms hang low. Explode your hands backward dynamically, until your arms are perfectly straight. Maintaining this rigid structural posture forces an intense, maximum isometric contraction at peak extension for ultimate definition. Posterior tension. Exercise 8. Dumbbell standing triceps extension. Stand completely rigid. Press a heavy dumbbell overhead and lower it deeply behind your skull. Drive the weight vertically back to lockout, keeping your elbows tucked tight. This standing vertical tracking profile stretches the long head to its absolute limit, unleashing savage mechanical leverage across the upper arm. Vertical power. Exercise 9. Dumbbell lying triceps extension. Lie flat on the bench, extend your arms straight, and lower the weights toward your temples. Press the dumbbells back upward along a strict sagittal pathway. This traditional setup isolates the arm extensors perfectly, forcing both the long and lateral heads to conquer absolute, isolated, progressive gravity tension. Arm density.